Then I will start. Yeah, look, we learned one thing during the discussion in the theory, right? Learning outcomes and the notes. That time we learned one thing: if two vectors are working in the same direction, it is possible only then the the vectors will be added directly. Okay, then it will be 4 Newton plus 2 Newton, it will be 6 Newton, like the one we discussed one day, that two vectors are working in the same direction, right? Here is one, two, another one is also working in this direction. Okay, 4. So it will be then 6 Newton. The angle is 0 degree. But here we have some angles, right? 45-degree angles. So it can never be 6 because they are not.
Sir, but I measured it with a
Then
scale.
you did wrong somewhere. You measured it with scale. I understand from here, but is it uh, 2 centimeter? Is it
Yes,
four
sir.
centimeter? With the ruler you
Yes, sir.
measured it,
Yes, sir.
and
I measured it with a ruler.
and here you measured with the protector, right? Okay. So afterwards you got it.
Sir,
Yeah, tell
sir,
me.
you can just check this thing right now on the screen sharing. If you go to
Yeah, I'm
Desmos
showing.
Geometry, it's a site
I'm
where you
sh-
can do
yeah,
geometry.
I'm showing you where you did mistake. When you completed the parallelogram, you see this line. Is it the same length of this line? Look, this
Yes, sir.
line and this line should be of equal length, right?
Sir, I'm
According
not
to
getting you.
according to the parallelogram rule, this line and this line should be equal in length, right? Are you getting me now?
Sir, could
Correct.
you repeat it?
Yeah. These two lines, I marked it here. You don't see this line.
Yes, sir. They are same, sir.
Yeah, they should be of same length. Similarly,
Yes, sir.
this line and this line should be of same length. But I can see this line is smaller and this line is bigger.
No, sir. They are both at the same.
No, no, you can check it. These two lines are not equal. This one is a bit bigger than this line. You can measure with the ruler. And another thing here, the diagonal. Okay, if you draw properly, it will never be 6. It will become 5 point something. Okay, Karim.
Yes, sir. I'm here.
So,
So I'm just doing the graph again on the computer.
okay, you do it. Huh? You do it. I am showing you where you did mistake. That's it. Huh? Then we are going to others, like other questions. You tried. That one is appreciated, but you do it more accurately. Okay. Then this one you give centimeter, correct. This one you give millimeter, correct. Yeah. Then nanometer. Then you wrote here 10 to the power 6 is micro. This is wrong. Hmm. This one is mega. You check in the notes. If it is 10 to the power 6, it is megahertz. Mega. It is centi. So only this one, centimeter, millimeter, m. then nanometer, n, small n, megahertz. Okay, Karim, this one you understood. 2a. Karim,
Sir, actually, I'm doing the graph.
do the graph later. Do the graph later. I'm coming to that point again. This one you understand or not? What I'm saying? 10 to the power minus 6 is micro. But this one is given plus 6. Plus 6 means million. Million means mega. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then another one I am showing you. Measuring tape which is fine. Other things I am showing you. Here. We got here centimeter, right? So this one's answer should be height. I'm showing you the diagram. This one. So what is the purpose of this ruler? They are asking you that one. So the answer should be name the quantity that the student is measuring with the rule. The student measuring with the rule, not you are saying centimeter, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So this scale is given in centimeter. It can be given in other scale also, right? So
Yes, sir.
the appropriate answer should be the student is measuring the height. So you wrote centimeter, I'm accepting it, but it's not appropriate. Okay,
Why, sir?
it's not appropriate. That means if you are writing here height, that is more appropriate. Okay, if you are writing centimeter, then the
Sir, what
examiner,
was the question anyway?
yeah, look, the question is,
May I see the question again?
yeah, sure. They are saying quantity.
Sir,
Quantity,
the quantity
quant
measuring with the rule. Sir,
hmm.
we are measuring in centimeter.
Yeah, we are measuring in centimeter. We can measure in millimeter. We can measure in meter also. But they are asking about the quantity. That means it's talking about physical quantity. Like, are you measuring the length or measuring the time, or you are measuring the volume, or you are measuring the height? This way. Last class, we talked about this. When you are saying quantity, that means it's physical quantity, right? Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Can you remember that one I told you from the worksheet we discussed?
Sir, it's vivid.
Hmm?
Sir, it's vivid.
It's what?
Sir, vivid, blurry. I can't
Yeah.
recall that.
Okay, in your mind it's blurry, right?
Yes, sir.
So you corrected the worksheet. There it's written. You can check it. That when you wrote the physical quantities, previously you wrote some numbers, right? But later on we corrected it. That it is current. Then we said it is time. It is amount of substance. Can you recall now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So if they are saying quantity, that means physical quantity. You should measure here length or height. Height is more appropriate because there is given height. If you write length, it is also fine. You wrote centimeter, I'm accepting it
So, will
because
it be accepted in the O level?
O level also there are sometimes it happens that the mark scheme is not allowing directly, but the examiner has some freedom, right? That he can do mark here or he can opine here, that he can give his own judgment over here. Okay, during that moment we use our own judgment and give the students mark. Clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so 50-50 chance. Now the last one. Here you got 3.10, 3.04, 3.16. If you do it average, it's coming 9.30, 3.1. Yeah, it is correct. Both are correct. So in 3 you got full marks. Here you got some, you are losing mark. How much mark was there? Let me check.
Sir, could you just repeat which is mega?
Yeah, mega. That one you did mistake. You see 10 to the power 6 means mega, but you wrote micro.
Oh, that
So
was not minus
here
2.
2 marks, you will get here 1 mark. So you are losing here 1 mark.
But sir, why 1 mark? We have 4 options, right?
Yeah, 4 options. If you are writing 4 correct, then 1 mark. Yeah, 2 marks. If you are writing any one mistake or 2 mistakes, then 1 mark.
No,
Well,
sir, this is not
Cambridge
clear.
does not have any fractional mark.
So then they should also make those marks non-fractional. Means the question it goes non-fractional to it.
Better you should correct yourself. Don't say other people to be corrected. You say your one should be corrected. Okay, why you are doing
They
this
should be
type of
fair.
silly mistakes? You should be more careful. You know this one, right? Isn't it? You know it. So you try to be more careful, more sincere. Then this type of mistakes will not be happen, right? And you are earning the marks, getting the marks. Why you will take mercy from other people? Okay, my dear.
Yes,
You will get the marks by your effort, your stamina, your credibility, right? Why you will beg marks to others? So this one we are talking about, right? This one your drawing and all other things you have here. How many marks here for this total? 4 marks, right? So out of these 4 marks, you will get 2 partial marking here. I will not give you completely 0, but you had the scope to get 4. So here you got lost 2 marks. There you got 1 more marks lost, mega. Then here you have another mark, so 4 marks lost. And in MCQ part,
and
you
which
yeah MCQ
yes,
part,
sir. Which MCQs did I make
yeah
wrong?
one,
Means
two,
wrong
three,
answer.
1, 2, 3,
Sir,
1,
could you tell me the right answers?
yeah one you got. I'm showing you. One you gave D, right? Is it D? Dhaka.
Yes, sir.
So let's see.
So it's Dhaka to the power
Vector,
Dhaka to
yeah,
the power
vector
Bangladesh.
quantity. So speed is vector quantity or scalar quantity?
Um,
Huh?
sir, it said average.
Whatever.
In
If it
average,
is average,
no, sir.
it is
Just
not
listen to me.
average.
Sir,
It
it's
is it
scalar.
is it is speed. Okay, whatever it is. It is average, not average. It is speed. And weight we know. Vector, right? It has direction towards the center of Earth.
Uh, uh, oh, weight is equal to mass into gravitational force. Yeah.
Gravitational field strength. Okay. Weight
Yes, sir.
weight is known as gravitational force. Weight is known as gravity. Okay, so one thing, three names. Yeah, and the one you are saying gravitational force, that is gravitational field strength, not gravitational force. Weight is gravitational force.
But sir, in,
Look, here is
sir, I didn't
Newton, right?
understand.
Newton, okay.
Yes, sir.
You when you will
So, sir, you
do
said that gravitational force is actually weight.
yes,
But normally in smaller classes and in class 8 also, I have my teachers used to say, and many other teachers also say that gravitational force is actually gravitational force field. Yes, we in short terms we say
listen, your
gravitational
teachers are
force.
not in front of me. Whoever told and whatever you heard, maybe you forgot. Just from now on, you remember it
Yes,
that
sir, I have the book.
gravitational force is Newton. Okay, force we measure with Newton. Clear?
Yes,
So weight is gravitational force. Weight has another name, that is gravity. And the formula is W equals mg. Okay, is it clear? And
yeah.
here G has also two names. One is acceleration free fall, okay, and another one is gravitational field strength. Can you tell with me? G has two
Yes,
names. Tell with me. G has two names.
those are acceleration, free
Yeah, one
fall,
is
and
acceleration of free
gravitational
fall.
field
Another one
strength.
is gravitational field strength. Okay. When it is acceleration, if you if
When
we
it's increasing
if
the speed with
if
the
we
help of
yeah if
gravity.
we drop the object from any upper place, like from the aeroplane, a skydiver is falling down, right? That one,
Yes,
uh, a skydiver is falling. That time he is in motion, right? So that one is acceleration of free fall working over there. Then if the object is static on the ground, like it's not moving, that time we are having gravitational field strength. Okay, same thing. We have here Newton per kg. The unit of gravitational field strength is Newton per kg. Got it? The unit of acceleration
yes,
is
sir.
meter per second square. Okay, how it is Newton per kg and meter per second square, I'm showing you now. You know one formula, that is F equals ma, right? Can you remember this formula? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
F equals ma. So here you got mass, here you got what? Force, right? So if you are taking this one G, this one you are taking as G, then this acceleration is becoming gravitational field strength. You see here F by M. So it is becoming G, right? Newton per kg. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So it is a one unit. Another unit I'm showing you. Don't worry. Here it is gravitational field strength. So other one is Uh, as I said, it's F equals ma. So A is your acceleration, right? Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the
I'm
what is the
listening.
unit of what is the unit of acceleration?
Uh, Acceleration.
Mm-hmm.
So increase in speed. Oh, sorry, sorry,
Unit,
sorry, sorry.
unit,
Okay.
meter per second square.
Me. Oh,
Me-
acceleration's unit. Yeah, it's
Meter per second square.
meter per second square.
So F by M, we are getting the acceleration. Its unit is meter per second square, right? Meter per second square. Is it clear now? Hello.
Yes,
That
sir, a bit,
if you
but
if
still
you
give bit.
yeah, still you have a doubt when we'll discuss mass weight density. That time again we'll discuss this. Okay, we'll understand it that time more. Now we were discussing this. A weight of 15 Newton. It is vector quantity. Other things, those all are scalar. Mass is scalar. Temperature is scalar. Speed is scalar. Then next question we are discussing now. Question two. Question two, your answer is again D. How come it is D? Uh, Karim? Karim, hello Karim, if you complete this diagram, here it is 3, here it is 4. So the length you are getting here, this one is the resultant, right? Karim, hello Karim. Karim, Karim, are you there Karim?
Sir, can you listen to me now?
Now I am listening to you, but you are silent for a long time. Why?
Yes, sir. This problem in the microphone.
Yeah, look, 4 Newton and this one is 3 Newton. So this one you are getting 4 centimeter and the other one we are getting
Sir,
3 centimeter. So if you get the resultant, if you are getting the resultant, then how long you are getting this one? Are you getting this one like 7 centimeter?
uh, less than that.
Less than that, and it's very clear from us that it is quite close to 5, right? Well, it's more than 4 and you see little bit more than 4, right? So we can choose this one, 5 Newton. It's like one general technique, but in exam it's better to draw it, huh? You draw it 4 centimeter long. This one you draw 3 centimeter long, complete the parallelogram, then you will get the diagonal, right? You will find it 5 centimeter, then you write here 5 Newton. Is it clear? Why you chose 7
Sir,
Newton? Why you
sir,
chose 7 Newton? Can you tell me? You just added, right?
sir,
Yes.
sir. You can see I gave you a link in the messenger.
What?
Sir, I gave you a link in the messenger. Please check it out.
What you gave? Link.
Sir,
Link
yes,
of
sir.
what?
Sir, just go there. I'm telling you.
Hmm. I'm going in mobile.
Sir, it also works on mobile.
Hmm. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, what can I do? Yeah, Karim, tell me.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, I'm there.
Sir, if you could open it in the screen sharing, then it would be better. Then I can just tell you what to do. Because you see, you're just instructing me over here the geometrical things. It's being a bit difficult for me. If you explain it over there with practical geometrical lengths and other things, it gives you exact measurements, and along with you can instruct better and give me the correct answer, which will help me to understand, and others also if you use it.
Yes, yes. Thank you for giving me. I will check it. Okay. Next time
Okay,
when
sir.
we'll discuss,
So
I
it's
will.
really easy to use anyway.
Hmm. We will do it next time. But in our last class, I showed you how to do it, right? And
Yes, sir.
some of the things are very easy to understand, like this one. I'm showing you that 3 Newton and 4 Newton. If you add directly, it's giving 7, right? There, it is only possible if you are getting them in the same direction, like this. If they are working in the same direction, okay. Do you get me, Karim?
Yes, sir.
But when they are in angle, you cannot add them directly. Like 4 Newton plus 3 Newton is 7 Newton. Then you have to draw the parallelogram and take it from the length of the diagonal.
So just check. Let me check.
Hmm. It is perpendicular, so it's very
One
easy
is
to
three.
do.
Sir, what is the angle between them?
It's 90 degrees. You don't see it's given there, this angle, 90 degree.
One, two, three, four. Okay. I just need to get the
Right angle.
okay. Get it here. Got that from here. One, three, one, two, three. Segments. Okay. Uh, okay. I just need the parallel line and um, the parallel line. Okay. And another from there to here, which will add 11. Sir, it's 5.
Yeah, it's 5. It should be 5. So by drawing the parallelogram rule, or we can say the graphical method, by drawing the graphical method, you can find the resultant, right? And
Yes, sir.
if you draw it accurately, then it will come correctly. Otherwise, it will not come correctly. Okay. Try to take
So
the
I'm doing
length.
it in the computer. It's exact.
Hmm. Wherever you
Sir,
if
see,
you.
I sent you the
Mhm.
this is which I did. Just
Yeah.
check it
Thank
out
you.
and then
Thank
check
you.
it. Did I do it correct?
Yeah. And 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 the other one you did wrong. That one also you try again. I think you will find it. Okay.
Sir, which one?
That one is structured questions one. You maintain the angle. Hmm.
Sir, could you just give me the question once again?
I am giving you now. Just give me 5 seconds. Huh?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, this one. Structured part. This one. Huh? Do it. The angle is 45 degree. One is 4 meter per second. That means you will take it 4 centimeter. Then other one, this one you will take 2 centimeter. Then you check what is the resultant coming.
Mm, sir, could you give me the screen sharing option? Then you could, means you could, mm,
Which one?
sir, just give me the screen sharing option.
Okay.
You have an option over there, security, you will find it over there.
More. I should go to more, right?
No, sir. Sir,
Where?
just show me your, what it says, the Zoom screen.
Zoom screen.
Yes, sir.
This one. Are you seeing the zoom?
Sir, means in which where you control everything.
This one. Huh? Karen?
No, sir. Just,
Which one?
sir. Let's see,
I'm showing you the zoom, right?
okay.
Are you seeing the zoom
Sir,
one?
you can. Sir, can you see the picture I gave you in Messenger? Then you understand what you need to do.
That one, the link one or the picture one?
Just the image which I sent you now.
Hmm. I saw it in mobile.
So just go to Messenger. You'll understand.
I'm going.
Sir, it's below. Yes, sir, that picture. There you
This
will
one.
see, yes, sir. Sir, if you zoom in, you will see there is a screen share written. You just need to go to your Zoom in that option
Okay, wait.
and just click on the,
I'm zooming it, right?
yes, sir. Can you see that screen share thing?
This one.
Yes, no, not that one. Uh, the list one. You see, there is a security option. You just go there and click on that screen share. Sir, it's above.
More option.
Sir,
Oh,
স্যার
security
হ্যাঁ স্যার
option.
মোর
This
মোর ইয়েস স্যার এই
this.
সিকিউরিটি অপশনের ওখানে দেখবেন স্ক্রিন শেয়ার মানে অ্যালাউ পার্টিসিপেন্টের ওখানে যদি স্ক্রিন শেয়ারে প্রেস করেন তাহলে আমি স্ক্রিন শেয়ার করতে পারবো
Okay, so I will go there from Zoom.
ইয়েস স্যার স্যার
Okay,
দেখেন আমি আপনাকে
approve,
একটা
approve.
ইয়েস স্যার অ্যাপ্রুভ
Yeah. What you are seeing now, Karim?
ওকে
On the screen, what you are seeing now?
স্যার নাথিং
So am now
I think
now you can share on the screen, right?
no sir you still disabled it
M.A. Karim Khan is controlling your screen. It's written there. How I disabled you. Okay, Karim.
yes sir
Now what you want to do actually? You
sir
want to
actually
you want to
I just
you,
want you to see what I'm doing so that you could guide me that am I doing
yeah,
it
I
correctly or
understand
wrong
that one. I said that we can do it later. Now I will check out it. Whatever the link you send me, huh? Now about this question, this one. Can you try it with the same process you did the MCQ one, MCQ two one? You make
Yes, sir. I am getting it 5.63.
so you are now getting it 5.63, but previously you got it 6.
Yes, sir.
Here you got it 6, and I told you it can never be
Sir,
6,
I
right?
think you did a mistake.
You
No, I didn't did it.
you you
No mistake.
you did here 6, so it can never be 6. Because we cannot get it 6 as there is some angle. If there is 0 degree angle, then it is possible to be 6. Okay,
Yes,
it
sir.
will be less than 6. Now you got it 5.6. That one you can send me in the messenger again, like before. Hmm? Karim?
Yes, sir.
The one you got
I can.
5.6, you did it in that software, the previous one, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you send me it in messenger? The one you sent me before, like that. Yeah, I got it. I think checking it. And the angle you can find, right?
Yes, sir.
In between 2 and 5.63, can you find the angle also? What is the angle? Which angle you send me? In between 2 and 5.63. it's 29 degree, but you got here 30 degrees. It's very close. It's fine. The angle is fine, but the resultant is not correct. So that's why overall your process, you did some work, you completed the parallelogram. That's why I gave you 2 marks. The other two you lost. Okay, out of 4. So how much you got, Karim? Hmm? Did you count how much you lost and how much is left? Hello, Karim.
Oh, sorry, sir.
Karim.
I was on mute. I was mute, sir. Sorry, sir.
Okay, now uh, how much you got? Did you count
For what, sir?
for this test?
No, sir.
You got
Three,
you
three,
got
and
13. You got
4,
13.
7. So, what is the total?
13. And this one,
Total is 13.
yeah, this one also you did mistake. Can you tell me what is the answer of 3?
So, just let me see. What is the name and value of unit power? Yes, sir. Sir, it is actually C,
What you gave?
milliwatt 10 to the power minus 3.
What you gave?
B.
Why?
Sir, sir, I just got confused in mega and
Okay, so listen, you are taking test and you are now improving. That's our achievement, right? That you understood that you are mixing up with mega and micro. Then you are mixing up with also milli. Again, how to draw
Sir,
this?
actually, I'm not mixing up with those. I'm mixing up with the values.
Yeah, then you did mistake with vector and velocity, right? You
Yes,
messed up
sir.
with vector velocity. That one you did not read carefully, but you know it. You know it, right?
Yes, sir.
You know it better than many people, but you missed it as you are not careful. So next time you should be more careful. And now this one, if you are remembering my that explanation, the one I told you again and again previously, that only it is possible to add or subtract if they are parallel.
Sir, but we have a problem here.
Hmm. What problem?
So the problem is that when means you say to give me the answer of 5.63 and 2 means the 2 centimeter the angle between them. But when I found the angle between 4 and 5.63, I got 14, which ends up with 43 degree. But it's actually 15 degree.
No, here it is 15 degree. In between 4 and this result, and if you take how much is coming?
Sir, just let me.
Listen, we can find the angle in 2 ways. One is in between 2 and the resultant. Another one is in between 4 and the resultant. So if you are taking it with 2 and resultant, then you are getting one angle. If you are taking from 4 and the resultant, then you will get another angle. It will not be same. Got my point? So you can choose any one, any angle you can mention. Uh, that's enough. But you should mention it that the resultant is making 29 degree with 2 Newton force. Okay, or 2 meter per second velocity. This way you should mention. Clear to you, Karim?
Yes, sir.
Why you are muting again and again and coming after
Sir,
one
there
minute?
is a bit of sound uh, in the background sometimes, which might
I
irritate you.
know, but you don't mute it. It's getting late to get you. So you understood it, what I told about the angles, about the direction. Hmm? Karim, you understood what I told. Hello,
Yes, sir.
about the direction angle, what I told you understood, or I have to repeat it.
Sir, a bit.
Huh? Should I repeat?
Sir, it would be better.
Yeah, look, like your one. If the value you wrote here 30 degree and 50 degree, this way we can make you understand that how you will write it. You will write that uh, the resultant makes 30 degree with 2 meter per second velocity. Okay, or the way it's given in the question, you can also mention that one, like this one. You got it like for 2 meter per second, you got velocity of water, and this one is your velocity of boat in still water. So while you are writing the resultant, you write this way that the resultant is making 30 degree with what? Velocity of Karim, respond. Here, velocity of water.
Yes,
Resultant
sir.
is making 30 degree with velocity of water. This way you can write. Or the resultant is making uh, 15 degree with velocity of boat in still water. This way you can write the direction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So if it is clear, next time you write this way. Now, other things we are checking. This one you also did mistake, messed up. Then here, this is right, correct. So you are losing 7 marks. Here
Sir,
one, then two, three, four. 4 marks from structured part and 3 marks from MCQ part. Other is going on, huh? রুটিন তোরা আনবো কাছে বললাম না তোরা আনবো নিয়ে গেছে আমাকে যে রুটিনও নিয়ে গেছে আবার পরীক্ষার রুটিনও নিয়ে গেছে আবার এমএ রুটিনও নিয়ে গেছে দুইটাই আমার কাছে যাইতে পারো না বলতে সাল্লাল্লাহু আলাইহি ওয়াসাল্লাম Okay, Karim. 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 Are you listening to me, Karim?
Yes, sir. এখানে আজান দিচ্ছে।
Yeah. In your place, Azan is going on.
Sir.
Uh, do you have any more questions on test paper?
No, sir.
So you understood everything. You are convinced.
Yes, sir. Convinced.
Okay. So you got 13. You don't worry for that one. Next time, you try to be more careful. Okay.
Sure, sir.
That will increase your score and that will increase your efficiency as well. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we are going to topic 2.
Sir, I didn't send the worksheet actually.
Topic 2, the theory part is discussed, right? Or is still not discussed?
Sir,
Kinematics, the
discuss
theory,
হয়েছে, sir.
is it discussed or not discussed? I'm showing you that notes. You may confirm me. I can't remember now. This one. This speed, velocity, acceleration, then speed time graph, distance displacement. All these are discussed or not?
So it's discussed.
Really? So if it is discussed, then why you didn't send me the worksheet? It's uploaded there, right? In the Google Classroom, I uploaded.
Sir, actually I did it, but what happened that I did it complete when I just gonna save that. Means I was on the last question and two lines were left, something like the electricity was gone, my computer shut down.
When it
বন্ধ হয়ে
happened?
গেছে.
When it
Sir,
happened?
it happened 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Yes, sir.
So when I'll get that one? Tomorrow.
Sir, tomorrow.
Okay, you send me worksheet 2, and I'm also uploading the notes on topic 3. Okay, topic 3 notes and worksheet both I'm uploading. You try it. Next class we will discuss that one and also this one. Both, huh? Try as much as possible because you told me that you know all these things, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You know all these things. Now just you go through them. If there is any confusion, you ask me, then I can make you understand, I can explain you. Then we can go faster, right? Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
It is better for you. Then, if you are done fast, then we can do more practice, more past paper solving, right? And you
Cheers.
can have more mocks. That will be better for you. Okay. And finally, I really appreciate the way you are analyzing the questions and the way you are trying to use the technology. Okay, I like it, I appreciate it, and I'm also feeling proud that I'm learning from you some of the things which I don't apply or I did not apply before. Okay, and we will manage some time during the Eid vacation where we can do work together to have some ideas from you about the technical applications of how to do the Zoom class or how to use the Google Classroom more efficiently. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So will you help me in that case?
Cheers, sir.
Okay. Now we can stop here today, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you one thing you can do that is your test paper is with you, right? Still, the one you sent me. Hello.
Yes, sir. I'm listening
Yeah. So
carefully.
it is in front of you or it is far from you now.
What, sir?
Your this test paper, the one I'm showing you,
Sir,
this
it's
one.
actually a bit far.
It's actually be far. So what I want for my other students, they keep it in front of them and they correct it. Okay, like this one is D, they cross it and they write the correct one. The correct one is C, right?
Yes, sir.
Another one is
Sir,
uh,
no problem. I will. Actually, what I do always is like these things in mocks. I started doing whatever is wrong. I write it in the word, the reason beside it, just like the last one,
yeah. You should write it.
and save
Otherwise,
it in the drive.
during the revision work, you will not find your things, right? Better,
Yes, sir.
better to find the printout. Any way you can manage it, the printout and on the paper you are writing, that will be better for you because that one you can preserve and during the exams you can just take out that one and go through those fastly, right? You can understand. Yes, this one I did mistake, so I should be careful about this one, and your revision will be quick. Only the mistakes one you will go through. The other one which you did correct, those you do not need to go through, right? When you will have 27 topics together, it is very tough to go through all the topics, all the things together, right? That time only you go through those things which you did mistakes only. Is it clear to you, Karim? Hello, Karim.
Oh, sorry, sir. Our mutex.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
So all these things you understood what I'm saying. What is better for
Yes,
you?
sir.
I'm saying that one. So try to manage it. The printer printing out option you find some way, then do it. Amina used to do printing. How she was doing? Why you can't do?
Sir, she gave to dad, and dad used to get it for her
So why you are not?
from the office.
Why you are not doing that one with your dad? The
Sir,
words
I believe what we wrote with hands, we get to recognize it fast rather than just seeing on the printing.
you you have one thing with you. What you have to return to school? Can you remember that one?
Yes, sir.
You have something with you. You have to return to school. During the
Yes, sir.
science fair, you took it.
Yes, sir. I remember.
So that one you preserve
It's still
and
safe with me.
Yeah, that one you preserve, and one day you go to school and return it. Huh?
Sir, after the lockdown.
Yeah, lockdown is over. Huh? When school opens. During the science project, you took it, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you so much. Huh? Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum assalam.